We're here at the StableView TECH18 conference, and I'm here with Russ Burton, the COO of Sharc Energy Systems. Russ, thanks for joining us.
That's a pleasure.
So for our viewers who aren't familiar with the company, give us a rundown of the business model and the team behind it.
Okay, so Sharc Energy is a business that's developed on the back of a technology which has been evolved and developed to extract waste heat from sewer systems and turn that into usable heat for customers in buildings. So we can develop heating systems for individual buildings, for condos and for district heating services across city centre operations.
So what type of projects have you worked on in the past, and you know, what's your market like?
The market's evolving. We're developing quite nicely. We spent the last 10 years effectively developing and perfecting the technology, and in the last 12 months we've started to accelerate the adoption of the equipment and getting more projects through. So we did a first project in Scotland 4 years ago at Borders College, which has proved the concept in the UK and has now accelerated to as being under construction on 4 projects in Scotland at the minute, with a pipeline of 20 more coming through over the next 12 months. In Vancouver, we've developed technologies which are deployed now both in local condominiums around the Vancouver area, and they're working very well. And again, that development we put into the Vancouver operation is paying dividends because we're now accelerating the deployment of kit across Vancouver, but also into California, where there's a big appetite for what we're doing.
So it certainly sounds like there's quite a lot in the pipeline over the next 12 months. Talk to us about some near-term milestones for the company over 3 to 6 months, perhaps. Okay,
well, over the next 3 months, we're actively in construction on projects in Scotland. That's going to yield some revenue streams for the business, which is a big milestone for us. It's taken us from early stage proof of concept. We're now moving into the commercial program, which is enabling us to recruit some really high quality people that are enabling us to accelerate the program forward. So over the next 3 months, we'll move from a relatively modest income through to sort of 1.5–2 million over the next 3 months, and then further from there. And then next 12 months is a much bigger make bigger program as we develop these projects.
Right. Russ, you mentioned the team. Tell us more about the management team and the type of expertise that you have together in the company.
Okay, so myself and Lynn have effectively taken the figurehead of the business. We've led on the sort of the promotion and development of the technology, but behind us we've got a great team of engineers and project managers and business development guys that are doing a significant amount of work to help us get the business to the right level. And particularly in Scotland, we've recruited some very high quality people from the utility market who've seen what we're doing, have got very enthusiastic about the opportunity to work in a pioneering renewable energy operation, and are helping us significantly to sort of improve the skill sets of the operation, from not just from the operational side, but from the development of the technology, from the deployment. So there's a whole layer of really good people working with us that are helping us move forward quite significantly now.
Great. Russ, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you.